Hello viewers, I am Maheshwar Sharma. I stand here to give you a video tutorial on all-round storage hopper type ARH 160-500. This machine weighs approximately 2.5 tons, and including the weight of the spiral roller set, the total weight may be approximately 3 tons. Total width of the machine is around 3 meters, whereas the total length is approximately 6 meters. This is the receiving end of the machine where product can be unloaded from a tip trailer, a tractor trolley or a box tipper. This end of the machine is cushioned with these heavy duty rubber flaps to prevent the body of the hopper from any damage by impact from a tip trailer. According to the height of a truck or a trailer, this backplate can be adjusted low or high with these screw knobs. Here you can see the main belt of the hopper moving and the spiral roller set also turned on. The product, while passing over the spiral rollers, gets cleaned of the dirt and the loose soil because of the spiral rotation of these PVC cleaning coils. This spiral roller set is named as VS166, where VS stands for vertical spiral roller set, 160 is the width in centimeters, and 6 is the number of rollers. It is interesting and very important to observe the movement of these PVC cleaning coils on the roller set. These rollers move alternately in opposite directions for bringing the product forward and to clean it effectively. For seed potato farmers, the mini tubers and potatoes between a diameter of 10 mm and 15 mm are precious. So, to transport or to collect this size of tubers, we need a special belt called Pomme Parisienne belt. The Pomme Parisienne belt will hold the product that is above 10 mm in diameter. The dirt and the product below 10 mm will pass through these bars of the web belt to fall on the waste belt below. The mini tubers that stay on the Pomme Parisienne belt will move to this direction and can be collected into a box, while the dirt on the waste belt will move to the other direction and can be collected into a separate box. Here you can see the shaft moving and the main motor running. This is the main motor that moves the chain of the hopper, and the chain further moves the main belt of the hopper. The speciality of this 2.2 kilowatt motor from Watt Drive is that it is a 2-speed gear motor. Speed 1 is slow, whereas speed 2 is fast. Speed 1 is used as a normal speed to feed the product, and speed 2 can be used for a faster movement of the belt when we want to empty the hopper or take out all the product. Before taking the product into the hopper, it is advisable to bring these mechanical jacks down to touch the ground. Both the jacks should be lowered simultaneously. The idea is to share the load or the weight of the hopper with products between the tires and the jacks. This section of the hopper, what you see beyond this point, is an adjustable part. We can adjust this section for horizontal width as well as vertical height. The horizontal adjustment of this section, including the spiral roller set, is done with this spindle. If you move this spindle clockwise like this, the section moves closer, including the spiral rollers. And if you move the spindle in opposite direction, the section moves apart, including the spiral rollers. You can adjust the gap between the rollers from 18 mm to 45 mm. The standard angle of the hopper is 17 degrees. You can change this angle with the help of the same spindle. You can increase or decrease the height of this section by placing the spindle here and moving it. If you move the spindle like this, the height is decreased, and if you do it the other way around, the height increases. This is the control panel of the machine. It is connected to power with this cable. The panel has various knobs for controlling all different operations. Now you can see all the knobs on the panel here. The most important knob to notice is the emergency stop. This may be in the on position or in the off position that we have to see. If the knob is pressed, the entire machine stops or locks till we unlock it again. Before starting the machine, we have to turn the knob slightly right and it comes up in the start position. The main switch is turned on, the green button is pressed, followed by the knob that drives the main belt of the hopper. This knob is now at speed 1. That means the motor and the belt are moving at the normal speed. Once I turn it to speed 2, the motor and the belt will move faster and the product will move faster as well. Speed 2 is also opted for emptying the hopper. The other knobs on the switch panel are like this. This is the knob for operating the main belt. This one is for the frequency drive. This is for the spiral roller set. This is for the product belt. And the last one is for the comparison belt. You can open the control panel with this key attached to the cabinet. You see the interior of the switch panel including the frequency drive, MCBs, contactors, etc. All the components are from Schneider. The wires are from Lab and the frequency drive is from Schneider as well. The cabinet is from Rital.